Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to make a balloon giraffe. So, what you need to do first is decide how big you want the nose or like this bit of the giraffe. I normally go for this big. Then you got to twist like that, okay? Just sometimes, then decide how big you want the ears of the giraffe. I normally go this big, and just twist like that there. Then you get this bit here, see this bit? Then you bend it back. Then once again, you twist like that. There's your head with these little ears, and there we go. Now we're going to make the neck. So what you need to do is decide how big you want the neck. So I normally go with this big or something like that. So just go like this and twist a couple times. Then decide how big you want the legs. I normally go like this bit here. Twist and make sure you can go on to the yellow and then just twist the same that you did with your head. And there's the legs and the neck of your little giraffe. Right, twist here. There you go. And these are like that. Don't worry if I did that. Just twist it. There is your balloon giraffe. Ta-da! I hope you managed to make it. And you did not find this video confusing. Please like and subscribe. Bye! See you later!